Now, I think what you should be doing is this video is supposed to perform according to me. But if it doesn't, what you need to do is change these headings, these and these. Make them a bit lighter because right now they are a bit verbose.
Okay.
Okay. That's one thing that you can do. Another thing is you have a background. Sorry, go on.
I'm sorry, I'm interrupting. Can you elaborate your last point a little bit? Like the headings and the text, how could I make them lighter?
Right now you have a lot of things which are written over here. I would just want it to have only one line. Right?
Okay.
Just one line and a bit more zoomed in. Because right now they are very small and probably people might not be able to read them. Right.
Okay.
So you can experiment like that.
Okay.
And you can create 3 variations like this, 3 to 4. I would suggest going with 10 variations also. But you got the point what you can do over here. Right.
Right. And once I have the different variations, do I need to create a different ad set for each variation? Is it like
over there, what we do is, okay, so generally an ad set, okay, has only one ad. What does that mean is one ad as in one concept ad. Okay.
Okay,
So
got
what
it.
ideally I would want is all the experiments which are related to this particular ad are only conducted in this one only.
Understood.
Okay. But they also should be theme wise. What does that mean? Let's say, first of all, let me suggest you a few changes which you can implement over here. Okay. So the first one is that you can change these headlines, right?
Yeah.
Another one is you can fast pace this video. Okay.
Okay.
You can increase the speed, right? You can do it 1.2x and see what happens. Okay. You can increase the length of it. You can decrease the length of it. Okay. You can check out some videos from, sorry, not check out some videos. I'll say you can check out some parts from here, right?
Okay.
And you
Okay.
can introduce also a few jump cuts and everything. Now, each change that you are doing is kind of like a type in itself. Okay. So type 1 change is just change in the headline, right?
Yeah.
Type 2 is background
Pacing.
music, right?
Okay.
Type 3 is pacing. Okay. Type 3 is pacing, right? So
Yeah.
if I was you, I would make one ad set which is only testing this, another ad set which is only testing this, another ad set that is only testing this.
Okay.
Right? So I'm
Yeah.
not trying to overcrowd one ad with a lot of experiments. I specifically took up one variable and then tested it against each other.
Yeah.
Right? So this is the way you organize stuff. Like in real life also, if let's say you are given a homework by your social studies teacher and you are supposed to do something, you try to organize them in a way that they make sense to you and the teacher as well, so that you get good marks.
Yeah.
Right? Think of Facebook as your teacher only, and you organize it well and then feed it so that it is also able to interpret the existing structure in a better format for you.
No.
Right? Because
Yeah.
once it understands it better, then it will be able to deliver better. Because think about it. If you give in one ad set random things, okay, first of all, Facebook has to spend energy into aligning them in an organizational way. Okay. Over there, money will get involved because obviously, if it is trying to organize it, what would it do in the background? It would spend money and show the ad to different people, then accumulate data. Then machine learning will try to make sense out of data. If the data is really chaotic, it will want to have more data points. And in order to get more data points, you will have to spend more money. Right?
Yeah.
So it is all about data points. Like in order to get more data points, you need to spend more money. Right? And if you spend more money, what will happen is you will get you will delay the process of getting results, right? But if you organize it better, then what will happen is data points which it accumulates will make sense earlier in the process than spending more money and then finding the results. So that's why we organize it in this way, so that it makes sense and it spends less in order to give us better results.
If you made it all the way here, this probably helped you. And you've likely got more questions than one video can answer for you. And that's just how performance marketing works. Every answer opens up a few more questions. And there's usually more going on under the surface than I can fit into a single video, or anyone can fit into a single video. So if you want to keep going, the link below takes you to a page where I go a lot deeper on this. If it makes sense for where your business is right now, you can either book a call from there, or if it doesn't, then no pressure at all. Keep watching and keep learning.